there's a real hub and like a real growth going on at the moment. Like productions coming to Cardiff to film or South Wales to film. It's nice to sort of be outside of London as well doing that. Everybody's really friendly.
Wales has so many different biomes and environments that you can film in, and they're all maybe within an hour of each other. So it just works to everyone's advantage really. Within one day you could be filming in a forest, the next you could be at a beach. I'd like to see more Welsh language in mainstream media. So we film a lot here for big productions, whether it's Netflix or Disney. None of it ever involves the culture of where they actually are. Of course, sometimes storylines don't align with that, but to be able to see more of our culture in it would be great.
I'm quite happy doing this. This is really fun at the moment. I definitely like being on set and fussing with things, so I don't like particularly have aspirations to become a production designer. I'm really happy being on set, so that's, for at least the meantime, that's where I'm very happy being and where I'd like to continue being.
Just more experience, I guess. I'm loving it where I am at the minute. So anything that I haven't done, I want to do, so say pre-production or post-production.